the King George Hotel. It's pretty close to Union Square in downtown San Francisco. This is a street view of the King George Hotel. Right next door there's a Lori's Diner. And we're gonna take a walk and go on in. Check it out. Stations here in the lobby. And I'm guessing this is just the bar, restaurant. And a breakfast area. Bathrooms. King George Hotel.